Yeah, cherries are ready, and we are having a bird invasion. The tree on the right and the tree on the left are chock full of cherries. Yeah, they're just flying all over the place. This is more of a menace. I don't remember this in the previous years. Look at them. They're all over everywhere. Kind of like roaches. I'm gonna open the window right now. And look. In their beaks. Trying to crack open. Oh, there they went. They got scared. Damn it. Didn't catch it. I'm gonna wait for them to gather up again. There must be at least 50 or 60 out here. And this is just this side. I haven't even gone on this side over here. We haven't a real bird invasion. I don't know if you can see. A lot of them are Starlings, and they've been a menace. I'm going to open the window so you can kind of tell what we're dealing with here. And the window is stuck. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! No, they don't see me. Let me go outside. Ending the video. Because as soon as I open, they're gonna take off. Yeah, there they go. They are totally menace out here. It's okay if they're on the floor because we do have a spider problem here. I just wanted to share the bird invasion.